Tags are a powerful tool used for organizing different entities in both administrative and technical areas. The tag's main control page can be accessed by clicking on this icon. There are three main categories of tags: universal, personal, and service tags. Let's explore each category. Universal tags can only be added and modified by the master account holder and directors. However, they are visible to everyone in the system. They have their distinctive icon and can be assigned by all users to all entity types. To create a universal tag, provide a name and description, select an entity type, and choose the tag color. To update the details or observe the allocation of this tag to various entities, click on the tag itself. Universal tags are added and removed by individual users from the Edit panel of each entity and cannot be removed from this central panel. Next, we have personal tags. Any user with any role can add, edit, and allocate their own personal tags. They are visible only to the user who created them. You can click on each tag to see the list of entities with this tag. To remove the tag from an entity, simply click on the entity description. Finally, we have service tags. These tags are designed as an organizational tool at the technical level. They are only available to directors and project managers, and only for the services that are assigned to them. They have their distinctive icon and can be created for each service individually. Like personal tags, you can click on each tag to see the list of projects with that tag. You can click on the project revision to remove the tag from that revision. Now, let's talk about assigning tags. Universal and personal tags are available to be assigned to each entity using the tag icon at the top of its Edit panel. To add or remove a tag, simply click on it. Service tags, on the other hand, are only available to the project manager of a project revision from the Project Edit panel. Available tags are specific to the service of that project revision.